माई सेल्फ सोनिया सिंह, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर भारती कॉलेज। आज मैं आपके सामने जिस ड्रग के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ वो है नक्स वोमिका। नक्स वोमिका जो हमारा ड्रग है उसको हम लोग बहुत सारी जो हमारी डिसीजेस हैं उसको ट्रीट करने में हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं। तो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द नक्स वोमिका ड्रग, लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट देयर फ्रॉम विच सोर्स वी ऑब्टेन नक्स वोमिका। तो first of all, the nux vomica is obtained from a tree, obtained from a plant. That plant should be not much height. That is a small tree. That is a small tree. A small tree, and they have a fruit. They have a fruit. They have a fruit, and that fruit. First they become a green, and after that they become orange. So that orange flower, orange fruit, that contain a nux vomica seed. From that seed is obtained from the fruit of the orange part of nux vomica tree. So nux vomica is a small tree, and they have a orange color fruit. That orange color fruit will give us a nux vomica seed. So inside this we collect a seed. So let's go through their next part of their nux vomica. So first of all we talk about their nux vomica synonym. So its synonym is nux vomica seed. They have called as nux vomica seed because their seed part should be used, and they have another name that is known as seaman strychnia. These are the synonym of nux vomica. Next we talk about their biological source. In biological source, nux vomica seed is used. That nux vomica seed, this is called as nux vomica seed, its synonym. So nux vomica, its seed part should be used as a drug. So their source is seed of nux vomica of Strychnus nux vomica, and they belong to a family Logenaceae. They belong to a family Logenaceae. So that fruit part containing seed, that seed we use for treating some diseases. They belong to the family botanical name that is known as Strychnus nux vomica, and they belong to a family Logenaceae. Next we talk about their morphology. So they have a small tree. They have a small tree. Its height should be a 10 to 13 meter. They contain a orange to yellow flower, orange fruit. They have orange fruit, ladder-like. They have a ladder-like tough apical. Ladder-like tough apical. Each fruit contains 1 to 5 seeds embedded. That fruit part of nux vomica plant, they have containing how much? 1 to 5 seeds. They have contained 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That fruit part containing 1 to 5 seeds embedded in that fruit part of. So from fruit part we collect a seed. Next we talk about their inside the fruit part. The inner white pulpy endocarp is present. So that fruit is inner white pulpy endocarp inside of that fruit. Next, after we collect a seed, they should be dried. They should be dried in sunlight. They should be dried in sunlight and store in a well closed container. So these all are the morphological parameter of the Nux vomica plant. Nux vomica plant is a small tree with height is 10 to 30 meter. Their fruit become orange in color and there are leathery like tough apical. Inside the fruit 1 to 5 seed is embedded and their inner endocarp is white pulpy like inside the fruit, and after we collecting a seed from it, they should be dried and well closed in a container. So these all are the morphology of Nux vomica plant. So this is the Nux vomica plant morphology. Next we discuss about their morphology parameter of seed plant. Seed plant morphology means we used Nux vomica seed. Okay, so Nux vomica seed, their morphology, their size, shape, order, taste we discuss here. So morphology of seed plant, their diameter of seed is 10 to 30 mm its diameter. Next we talk about the thickness. Thickness is 4 to 6 mm. That is known as thickness. Means that is known as seed of Nux vomica. Their diameter should be 10 to 30 and their thickness is 4 to 6 mm. And their shape is, if you talk about their shape is small disc shape, and that should be a small flat. Flat irregular, and their color is greenish. They become greenish or brown. They become greenish and brown, and their orderless, and taste is bitter. So these are the morphology of which part? Seed part. Their seed is flat in nature. Their diameter should be 4 to 6. Their thickness is 4 to 6. तो हमने यहाँ पे देखा कि जो Nux vomica की सीड होती है उसका जो हमारा डायमीटर होता है वो 10 to 30 mm होता है। थिकनेस जो होती है वो थिकनेस, ये हमारी मोटाई जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, वो हमारी 4 to 6 mm होती है। और अगर हमने डिस्क को देखा तो ये हमारा स्मॉल डिस्क जो शेप होता है वो होता है डिस्क लाइक शेप। नेक्स्ट हमने कलर देखा, कलर इसका ग्रीनिश ब्राउन रहता है। ऑर्डर जो उसका होता है वो ऑर्डरलेस होता है, कोई ऑर्डर नहीं होता है। और ये जो होता है इसका जो टेस्ट होगा वो बिटर लाइट टेस्ट इसका होता है। नेक्स्ट अगर हम लोग बात करें इसके एक्स्ट्रा फीचर्स की, तो ये जो सीड होता है, इस सीड को जब हम लोग छील के देखेंगे, मतलब जब इसको हम इसके टच करते हैं, तो ये जो सीड होती है ये बहुत ही स्मूथी दिखाई देती है। कैसी दिखाई देती है? स्मूथी। स्मूथी टाइप इसका क्या होता है? सरफेस होता है, सरफेस। और ये सरफेस स्मूथी लाइक क्यों दिखाई देता है? क्योंकि इस सीड के ऊपर स्मॉल ट्राइकोम्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं, ट्राइकोम्स। सो ड्यू टू दैट ट्राइकोम्स, छोटे छोटे इसके अंदर ट्राइकोम्स होते हैं, फाइबर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स प्रेजेंट। नाउ अब हम देखेंगे कि जो नक्स वोमिका की सीड है, इसके अंदर कौन से एक्टिव केमिकल कंस्टिट्यूएंट प्रेजेंट होते हैं। एक्टिव केमिकल कंस्टिट्यूएंट से मतलब होता है कौन से टाइप के विच केमिकल्स विच आर responsible for a pharmacological action, or we can say that which chemical group is present in the seed of Nux vomica. For that chemical they used as a seed in treating for various diseases. So now we talk about their chemical constituents. Chemical constituents. So they have a chemical like they have a indole. They have a indole alkaloid. Indole alkaloid means in that Nux vomica seed they have a chemical which have a indole ring is present in their alkaloids, and that indole alkaloid is known as brucine. That is main active chemical constituents. And next one is that is known as strychnine. These two are the main active constituents which are responsible to show a indole ring present in both these two structured group of alkaloids. So due to that active chemical constituents, they are used in various diseases. Like we discussed here their uses of their particular seed part of drug. They used as a drug, like they used as bitter, stomachine. Next one is toxic. They are used as respiratory, stimulant. They used as a respiratory stimulant. They used as and that they have a strychnine active chemical constituent. For that active chemical constituent they used in increase blood pressure, and they used to stimulate respirate cardiovascular system. So here their active chemical constituent is strychnine. Because of that active chemical constituent strychnine, they used in increasing blood pressure. They used in stimulate cardiac system. So that is because of their active chemical constituent present in the seed part of their Nux vomica. So these two uses is responsible for that active chemical constituent. So today here we discuss about their Nux vomica plant, which what type of cultivation of Nux vomica plant is, and their morphology, character of their seed part of their plant, and we discuss about their synonym of plant, their their biological sources, their morphology, their active chemical constituents, and last one is their uses. Because of their active chemical constituents, they are used in various diseases. Thank you.